ProQuest and other databases will sometimes return results for which no full text is directly available. This helps to ensure that you find as many relevant publications as possible. But you may wonder, what's the point of discovering the article if you can't read it? Well, first of all, the library might have access to the article in a different database or even in print. And if we don't, in most cases, we can get you a copy through something called Interlibrary Loan. Look for the Check Full Text button. This will appear in most of the library's subscribed databases. If the library has access to the electronic full text from another source, you'll be sent there directly. If we don't, you'll be taken to a OneSearch page like this one. Here, you can check to see if the library has a print version of the article. In this case, the library has printed editions of the journal up until 2005, but the article we need was published in 2007, so no full text. If you determine that the library does not have the article, you can place an ILL request. Make sure that you are logged into OneSearch, otherwise you will not see the request option. Then, log in to the ILL system. You will need to complete a brief registration if this is your first time making a request. The article details will be automatically filled into the form. You can then place the request after agreeing to the copyright statement. In many cases, we will be able to get the article for you after 3 working days. If we need to approach an overseas library, it may take longer. When it's ready for you to collect, you'll receive an email notification. So, remember, don't give up if the library doesn't have the full text of a useful article. Place an ILL request and we can get it for you. If you need any help, don't hesitate to ask a librarian.